Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, my little word explorers. Today, we're going to learn about 3 tiny words that sound the same but mean different things. They are to, and two. Let's discover what makes each one special. The word to shows direction, place, or purpose. For example, I go to school. We use to when we're moving or giving something, like give the ball to me. To means also or very. For example, I like ice cream too means I also like ice cream. It can also mean very, like it's too hot today. 2 is a number, the number after 1 and before 3. For example, I have 2 apples. Easy, right? Just remember, 2 always means the number 2. Time to play our 2, or 2 game. Ready? Let's go. I'm going, fill the blank, the park. 2. I have, fill the blank, pencils. 2. I want to play, fill the blank, 2. Yay! You did it! You're word wizards. Let's remember, to shows direction or purpose. To means also or very. 2, the number 2. They sound the same but mean different things. Great job, my smart learners! Now you know how to use to, and two just right. Keep practicing and you'll be a grammar star. Bye-bye for now.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.